Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing a tabletop breakdown of this CZ97B chambered in 45. We're just going to do a quick breakdown of the gun, show you the disassembly and reassembly of it. We're going to just be pretty much taking off the slide off the frame, take out the barrel, spring, all that good stuff. The way CZs are set up in their disassembly is that they have, I don't know how well we're going to be able to see this, but they have two lines. And so what you want to do is you want to line those two lines up, and then you're able to push this out here. This one I haven't taken it apart yet. I got this one I think a couple months ago, this CZ itself. So we're going to try to take this out, and I know they can be a little hard to take apart, or just pressing this pin through. Sometimes they can be difficult, at least with my other one. It took a little while to break in, so we'll see how well we can. Not well at all. Let's see. We're going to have a little fun on camera today. All right, let's see how well I can jack this video up, huh? There we go. That wasn't too bad. Okay, so you want to push this pin out. Like I said, it can be a little difficult. Then you're going to want to pull on the trigger. That's going to send the slide forward, or allow you to pull the slide forward. Then that's going to take your slide from your receiver. From here, you're just going to want to remove your spring, which just kind of slides in there just as any other handgun does. Has like a little catch. The spring almost jumped out from me. I didn't realize this was plastic. It's kind of trash. But what do you expect? You know, these guns aren't really all that much. But I'm sure they make a kit, and now I'm actually going to look into it after taking this apart, realizing that this is plastic. Not a fan of that. There we go. This guy comes out, and then here comes your barrel. Well, maybe. Or does the barrel go all the way out like a 1911? Does not. Oh, we're gonna have some technical difficulties here. Oh, does this top does spin off? Okay, so it does come out like a 1911. It looks like this part will, like I said, I haven't taken this apart, so this part just screws off right here on the top, or on the front of the barrel and slide. You're gonna unscrew this. And it still doesn't look like it slides all the way through like I thought it would, because there is a catch right here. So that's just going to give you enough room to slide that barrel out. Going to open up that hole for you. And then there you go. You have your 45 barrel here. But, you know, we're learning together. I like it. So that's pretty much what I was just going to do a quick breakdown of, was the takedown of this. Now realizing this guide rod is plastic. We're gonna probably make another video replacing this guide rod, because I'll find, I'm sure there's so many different parts for CZ. I'm sure I'll find something that's metal. Not a fan of that, but other than that, with this little hiccup here, we're all good. So now we're gonna reassemble this CZ and put it back together. So first, we're going to want to slide our barrel back in. Boom. Twist this guy right back on there. You know, recording this on Father's Day, so we all know righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? And there we go. This slides right in there. Put our spring and guide rod back in. Boom, slide that back, sets right there. Geez, that's just disheartening. That thing's plastic, huh? God. Actually really disappointed when I found that out right now. We're gonna slide that all the way back. And this, so it's a little bit easier. When the hammer cocked back, it's easier to line those two lines up. We're going to push this back through. Boom. Good to go now. Hopefully I didn't fuck anything up. And there you go. Quick disassembly, reassembly of the 45. We're going to fumble the mag for you. We're going to just chamber around because why not? Boom. We have a little indicator right here because this thing's fancy. And there you go. Boom. Boom. There you have it.